Hello guys, welcome back to Investing Tutorial. Friends, step into a world of financial knowledge and discovery as we embark on this journey together. When anyone among us enters the stock market, they often think that by doing so, they can become millionaires. Each one of us desires to earn money, and those of us entering the stock market believe it is the way to end our financial problems. We think that if we can make a lot of money from this market, it will solve our problems. The first question is whether one can really become a millionaire from the stock market. Dreaming about it is useless. The second question is, even if you have very little money, say a 1,000 or 2,000 per month, can you still become a millionaire from the stock market? The third question is, how much time does it take? How many years will it take? And how much time do you have to invest? The fourth question is, have I become a millionaire? The fifth is how to start and where to learn. Should one start? And is it the right way to start, so that in a few years you can become a millionaire? All these questions will be answered in this video, and after this video, you will find the right path to start, avoid mistakes, and in a few years, when you look back, you might thank me for the good start. So the first question is, can anyone become a millionaire? With how much money can one become a millionaire? How much money do you need to start, and how much time will it take? We understand all this. Most of us, when we start investing, don't have a lot of money. We start with a few thousand rupees or 1,000 rupees, and sometimes we face demotivation, wondering whether we can ever become a millionaire with such small amounts. How much can be achieved with such a small amount? In investing, it doesn't matter how much money you are investing. What matters is that you are investing and letting that money stay invested for a long time. Today, if you have 1,500 to invest, as you progress in your career and your salary increases, you will have more growth. So, even if today you can invest only 1,500 per month, next year you might be able to invest more. I assume that every year you can invest 10% more. Even if you are investing 1,500 every month today, next year you may be able to invest 10% more per month, and you will keep increasing this amount every year. After that, I assume that you will receive a return of 16%. If we invest wisely, it is possible. Here the return is 16%, and if you use it for 25 years, considering our working life is around 25, 30 years, you can invest for 25, 30 years. So if you invest in this way for 25 years, starting with 1,500 rupees in the first year, then increasing it by 10% each year, and getting a return of 16%, you will have 1 crore in 25 years. Even if you start with a small amount, like 1,500 rupees per month, and increase it gradually, compounding will work in your favor. The key is to start early and be consistent. The important aspect is not just the return percentage, but also the time you stay invested. Compounding works more effectively over time. For example, if you invest for 30 years, you could potentially reach 2 crore, 32 lakhs. Warren Buffett, the richest person, focuses on giving more time and investing more money each month. It's about compounding and letting your money grow over time. It's crucial to focus on the monthly investment amount and consistently increase it by 15-20% annually. Even if you start with 1,500, you can reach up to Rs 1 crore quickly if you focus on your career growth and consistently increase your investment amount. The key is to invest early, focus on your career, and consistently increase your investment amount over the years. Remember, the magic of compounding works best when you give it time and consistently contribute more money. So start early, invest consistently, and let compounding work its magic for your financial growth. The two things to increase, and if you focus on increasing expected returns, what mistake will happen, what blunder will happen, I will explain that in the video ahead, and most beginners make this blunder, and we will learn about it in the video. So like the second concept, as you understood in the previous example, that the focus is on increasing our monthly investment and increasing the increment every year. I give an example of this, then you will understand what I am saying. If you start with 10,000 rupees, if you focus on good investing, it will take 10 years to make that 10,000 into 96,000 and around 4 crores for 25 years. But if you start with 1 lakh instead of 10,000, you have started with your principal amount. So, you have saved those 10 years of your life because you were focusing in the investing, and you were focusing on the fact that you should not invest 10,000 rupees. If you invest 1 lakh rupees, then you have saved those 10 years of your life, which it takes to grow 1 lakh into 2 crore 96 lakhs, and for 25 years into 39 crores, plus in the share market. This is the desire of everyone in the world, whether it's Mukesh Ambani, Ratan Tata, or anyone. Why are they doing business in all sectors? Because they get better returns from the stock market. If you hire the best stock market expert, then you can get a return of 20%. But also, they know that as much money they have, the more money they will have, the more money will be made. So even after earning billions, they don't just sit. This is more important. This is why people work hard all day, run businesses so that their capital can grow. But we should not depend only on the stock market, because it is necessary to keep active income methods with us, whether we are attracted to intraday trading through family or friends. Because our goal is for long investment with high returns, not short-term trading with small returns or loss of capital. It's very important to note that we have to protect our capital investment. I am discussing because it is necessary that in the pursuit of the stock market investment, your knowledge or education should not be compromised at all. Your life should go on with active income. After a few years, 15, 20 years, it will become better on its own. The stock market's passive income will grow exponentially after 15, 20 years, and it will continue to be the same. So, if you want to start investing in the stock market, then you can open a Demat account with Angel One. Link is provided in the description. Thank you for joining us on this financial journey. Remember, informed decisions today shape a prosperous tomorrow. Stay financially empowered, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more valuable insights.